Jollibee. Wow. Siyempre si Jollibee may din na rin wish para kay Dad. Yes, Jollibee. Jollibee, how many wishes do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 na.
Wow.
4 na. 4 na. 4. Okay, 4 wishes. For your first wish, to Dad, to grow up, to be the pretty.
Wow.
And sexy, like Mommy of course. Wow. Okay, for your second wish, to Dad, to grow up, maabot niya yung mga pangarap niya sa buhay. Wow! Good job, Jollibee! Good job! Okay, for your third wish, to Dad, to grow up, to be a God-fearing person. Okay, for your fourth and last wish, to Dad, to grow up, to be always be happy and jolly like Jollibee, of course! Wow! Yay! Go ahead,